So I must confess, in my 64 years of perpetual motion, I've never installed cabinet handles before. So today I installed 25 handles at our ministry cabin. Uh, and, you know, I wanted to do it right. This is God's cabin, not mine. And so that's the kitchen. And then I did 4 more in the bathroom. And I made a template, and I thought it would be all right until you get to those handles which are together, they match. And template's fine unless the door panel, the door, is mounted lower or higher than the other one. So you got to kind of cheat a little bit to make a match. I did not know that. So I only did it once. So I ended up actually removing one door and just off the hinges and scooting it up so it matches. I mean, even if it's 3/16 off, when you have a pairing handle, it's really noticeable. And I'm the first to admit I am not a finish carpenter guy, but I don't know. I hope this helps some of you. I did 25 of them today, but I'm sure for a professional that's not many, but that's what I did. I hope this helps out some of you guys. Over and out.